Here we've got OPPO A5 2020, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and go to the very bottom of the list where you will notice backup and reset. Click on it, and now go to reset to factory settings. Here you will notice reset clear downloaded apps and app data, so it's the second tab. Click on it and now enter the screen lock if you have one, and if you don't, it will be allowed to go without it, but I do have mine. And now you have to confirm that you would like to clear all downloaded apps and app data. Click on clear data and then confirm it by tapping on clear data. And now just patiently wait. Within a couple of seconds you will be able to set up your device from the beginning. And as you can see, now you can set up your device with all apps from the beginning. So at first you have to select the language. Let me pick English. Then tap on next. Now choose the region. I will stick with United States. Click on continue then. Now connect your device to Wi-Fi. So I will choose the first one, which is mine. And as only it's connected, tap on next. Then come along with all terms of usage, so read user agreement and privacy policy, and if you agree with all the following terms, click on continue and just mark that you agree with all the above. Now you can also join user experiments project policy, but I will skip it. Then you can also upload error log data, but I will skip all of this. Later on you can join it from the settings, but it doesn't have to be right now, so now don't copy data. We'll just quickly go through the whole setup process, so you'll be able to see that all the apps have been reset and actually cleared, and you have no previous data. And now you can log in with your Google account if you want to, but I will skip it for now. And then just come along with Google services and accept them. And now you can add fingerprint, face or password, but I will also skip it for now. And all can be done through the settings later. Continue, continue, set as new OPPO phone and start. So as you can see, now you can use your device in a normal ways as a new one, and all the data from your applications and all the apps which were downloaded are no longer here. So that would be all. This is how you can clear app and app data in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.